Unit 4, the last topic, multi-agent system, trust and reputation in multi-agent system. So under the multi-agent system, the having the topic name is trust and reputation multi-agent system. So multi-agent system mass is expansion. So that can interact each other simultaneously. The common environment, they have to eventually they have to build participating to our organization. So see the diagram multi-agent. There is a agent, artificial intelligence, might be a robot or a simulation part, whatever it may be. So multi-agent means it's more than agent. They are present in different places. Print shop, that workshop. So the given, wherever the workshop is there, print shop is there. So the A consider as a alliance agent and B, so they put it in environment, and C it's a contact agent, that's the interaction part, and negotiation agent, that's the organization part, then finally user agent. So these are the agents are worked in workshop. So again I am saying A is a alliance agent and C is a contract agent and N is a negotiation agent and you as a user agent. So these agents are worked under the principle of, you know, that the aliens agent is an environment and contract agent is an interaction and negotiation is used for the organization. So these agents are interact with each other and they are situated in common environment. There are more than one agent. They are interacting with each other at the common environment. Eventually, they build participating to an organization. So this is called as MAS, multiple agent system. Multiple agent world. The agent, the having environment and goal, the perception from the environment. Finally, there will be action. Then organization, they will be interact with the users. Previously we saw the thing that will be here. You put it in again. The perception is pursued from the environment, then action done by actuators, then organization its interaction with the users, also the particular goal. So agent physical or software autonomous entity, this is proactive or reactive social to take part of organized activity in order to achieve its goal by interacting with each agents and users. Multi-agent system. Multi-agent systems principles. Multi-agent system principle, the agent perspective, micro perspective. The multi-agent system, the autonomous agent may exhibit the activity there are not the one expected by other agent in the system. And delegation, the agent may be receive some control over their activity. Then multi-agent system perspective is a macro perspective. The multi-agent system having the principle, one is agent perspective, another one is multi-agent system perspective. So multi-agent system perspective, we can say that's a macro perspective, and the agent perspective we can say that's a micro perspective. So the distribution of knowledge to resolve the reasoning of the designing, so decision capabilities and decentralization, that is a macro perspective. We have to lose coupling of the control authority, then agreement technologies, coordination models and mechanism to install the coordination between autonomous agents. So emergent, social ladder, normative functioning. So these are the functionings are used in multi-agent system principles. So mass action domain, socio-technical systems, they're having what are the domains they use? Socio-technical system, problem solving, simulation. So mass action domain, social technical systems, that's application for human and organization and physical well, and making them interoperate, interact, and cooperate in flexible and consistent manner with each other. This is socio-technical system. Problem solving. So this is the modeling to solving the problem by cooperation between local solvers, and installing top-down or bottom-up solving process. Simulation. Modeling and reproducing complex phenomena of interacting entities in the real world in order to understand or explain their behavior. Simulation part. So say example, agent services, agent utilizers, and agent meditators, a platform for agent. No, the platform agent FIPA is in agent meditators. So agent service and agent utilizers. So example for MAS multi-agent system. See how they are suggesting view. 7 p.m. World News headlines on 7:15. Personal news surround. Selecting highlights of the today goals. 7:30. Then yes, 7:50 to 80. Then video call. Oh, they giving some kind of suggestion. So see the example. User created service coordination. So how the user created coordination with the family, banking sector, college, and the transportation, everything. How they will be user-centered service coordination in MAS. An example for service composition of semantic services and web technology. This agent technology. So this is an example for service composition of semantic services and description and secure execution monitoring of the services. And problem solving, properties of the targeted applications, absence of global strategies of global solving method, interaction between local strategies between local solving methods, and solution is the result of the interaction between local process and point of view decision and goals motivation and continuous functioning and evaluation, and main requirements decentralization, local control interactions, openness, permeability, scalability in the size of structure, design of complex system. So multidisciplinary simulation optimization. So design a complex system having multi-level, multidisciplinary, so multi-methods. So here everything is multi like that, multi methods, multidisciplinary, multi objectives, multi attributes. So it's a little bit complex for designing purpose, and for optimization technique we have to go management of uncertainty and multi problem solving emergence. Simulation, in order to simulate you have to understand and explain and discover, and finally will be get the help by other agents. So multiple agent system is the main thing. Okay, thank you.